Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you an use case. One of our customer requested for a use case where he has to display a cell value from Google Sheet. So based on the email lookup, so basically he wanted to have two columns. That is, one is an email and the other one is the credit amount in dollar. So this something look like this. So the email ID and the credit amount. So basically we have to display or send this particular credit amount to the user, so who is actually requested via their email ID, so using any form. So right now I'm gonna use Zoho Form basically to get an entry. So you can use any other trigger as your form, like Elementor forms or any other form. So and then do a Google lookup, and I'm gonna send the record via Gmail. So let me do that. I just mention this as Google lookup for credits. So now I'm gonna take my trigger as Zoho Form. So as you all know, Zoho Form is a webbook enabled app. So basically we have to copy and paste the webbook URL for Zoho Form. So I'll just select the trigger as new form submitted, copy the webbook URL, and based on the instructions, so I'll go to Zoho Forms. So basically my settings page, and then I have to go for integrations. So once I click on integration, so I have to select as webbook. So then place the webbook URL. So this is my form fields. We have to select that and click on save. So that's it. So basically we are done with our configuration, placing of webbook URL. So now we have to capture the response. So actual response or test response. So I will click on capture response, and I go to the form and fill in the details. So I'm going to use my details and the email ID, and click on submit. So this will basically submit a record from Zoho Form. So same thing will be received over here and KonnectzIT. Yes, we received the data from Zoho Form, so you can see that. So now I'm going to do a Google lookup. So I'm going to do a lookup using Google Sheet. So just drag and drop Google Sheet and choose my account and choose the trigger as lookup spreadsheet. So I'm gonna do that and select my spreadsheet basically. So the sheet which I shown right now. So I'm gonna select that, and here I will be having a value. So in which column I'll be doing a lookup for. So I'm gonna select as email. So even you can select name if you want to look up for name or any other field based on your convenient or like the data you are receiving. So I'm gonna do that for email. So if it is unique, it will be good. So now I will do just connect the value for the lookup. So I'm gonna do it via the email. So I just connected the email. So now I will click on test and review. So what basically my Google Sheet will do is, so this will look for this particular email and it will give me all the columns. So you can see it actually gives me the name, email, and also the row index, so basically, and also the credit. So I will click on OK, so to use this for further automation. So basically this is my Google Sheet. So you can see this, based on this email it fetched me credit amount and also it fetched me the full name. So now, and also the row index, you can see that. So all this will be present over here. So now what I do is I will be using an text merge option inside KonnectzIT. So I'll be creating the merge text and giving the credit the name. So select. So I'll just say that hi at the rate first last name, and just say where is your total credit you can use, and mention the credit. So thanks for choosing. So and click on validate. So now I just created my email template. So now I'm gonna use Gmail. So just select the Gmail account, send email, and now I will connect the nodes. So I'm gonna select the email from the email field, and I will select the body template, and I'll just say as my email subject line, and it on test and review. So this will going to basically send an email for from my Gmail account, and now I'm going to publish my connect. So my connects are published successfully, so I'll be receiving an email. Then I'll click on inbox, so this will going to send me an email. So you can see that. So this is my email. So it says that credit balance as a subject line, and it says I Rakesh Mahesh, and it says here is my total credit, so that it is displaying the total credit for the user. So now let us go ahead and test this connect basically. So I'm go to Zoho Form and click on add another response. So this time I'm gonna use my email ID as this and click on submit. So basically it actually submitted the response. So as per our connect, so any request on KonnectzIT webhook from Zoho Form, so this will trigger a lookup spreadsheet on Google Sheet and send email on Gmail. So I already received an email, you can see that. So with it says the credit balance, and it says my name, and it is giving me the total credit, that is 400 for this particular email ID which I entered. So this is the email ID, you can see this, and the credit is 400. So this is how you can do a lookup using KonnectzIT. Hope you guys like this video, and if you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section. I'll be happy to answer this question. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.